Hi kids, let's make an Indian flag. First, take the white sheet and mark measurement of 2 cm on the left hand side. Now, fold it inwards. Take the orange sheet, fold it into half. Apply glue and paste the half sheet at the front. And half at the back. Repeat the same with the green sheet. Take 2 white circle cutouts and fold them together. Now unfold them. Draw spokes of the Ashoka Chakra with a blue sketch pen and a scale. Children, you can always take help from your parent at any step. Do you know, children, how many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? There are 24 spokes. Now, draw the spokes on the second circle. Draw the outline on both the Ashoka Chakras. Paste the Ashoka Chakra with some glue on the white strip. Repeat it on the other side also. Apply glue on the left side margin which we have folded in the beginning and place stick at the edge and roll it inwards. Your national flag is ready.